sometimes kasi, kaya tayo hindi nagagawa yung mga things that we can't. Kasi sa una pa lang, ay hindi ko kaya yan eh. Hindi ko afford yan. Totoo naman. At that moment, the question is, what can you do so that you can do it? So that you can afford it? Kasi ayoko sa atin, and minsan guilty rin ako, ay hindi ko na talaga kaya pang sa kanila. Teka. Mahaba pa ang buhay. What can you do so that you can do the things that you love to do? Sige, kung hindi na lang para sa'yo, para sa anak mo na lang. Mangarap ka para sa anak mo. If ayaw mo na talaga. Pero I hope and believe that you will still believe that you can. And the reason why I'm sharing that, I hope that you have people who will challenge you. Pero syempre, there are times talaga sa trabaho na it can be discouraging, not just sa work, but also sa bahay. Nakaka-discourage yung mga ibang problema. Do you agree with me na hindi araw-araw yung parang good day? Minsan may mga bad days, tama ba? Depende sa gising, depende sa... Agree ba kayo dito? May mga days na parang iba yung energy. May mga days na iba lang talaga. Hindi ka makapag-perform optimally. I just want to encourage you. Nandito na ako sa side na pagka minsan nadi-discourage ka, or marami kang pinagdadaanan. This is Jim Quick. And he said, because there are days that 40% lang nagagawa natin. On the days you only have 40%, and you give 40%, may mga days 40%, pero binigay mo 40%, I want to let you know that even if the 40% that you have and binigay mo yung 40%, that is 100%. Minsan kasi feeling natin, ay hindi ko nagagawa yung best ko kasi may pinagdaanan sa bahay eh. Pero whatever little strength and energy you have, kahit 40% yan, pero binigay mo yung 40%, that is 100%. Kasi may mga things talaga na hindi kaya eh. So if whatever little strength, energy, discard na kaya mong gawin, ibigay mo pa rin lahat. Kahit performance-wise, 40%, pero that is already 100%. At least on that day. At least on that day. Don't be too hard on yourself. At least binigay mo yung best mo on that day. Iba yung usapan kung 40% every day. Yung i-call out mo na. Huy, parang nagmo-Mobile Legends ka nun dyan ah. So we call them out. Kasi we want na okay, may balance. There are days talaga na ganun eh. Pero if it's a pattern, you call it out. That's why it's good to extend grace. It's good to have understanding. Oh, there are days na ganun. At least whatever little strength I have, ibibigay ko. How many of you dito ayaw nyo ng change? Taas kamay. Nila, ayoko nung masyadong mga pagbabago. Gusto ko basta. Kung ano yung nakasanayan, ganun na. Di ba minsan ganun tayo eh. Gusto natin yung mas relax. I'll give you an example. Pre-pandemic, nagkaroon ng bagong way of transacting yung mga tao. Sino dito gumagamit ng GCash? GCash? Mas ginamit natin ng pandemic, tama? Pre-pandemic, konti lang nag-GCash eh, tama? Pero nung pandemic, we were forced at least to transact kasi bawal na yung face-to-face. Sino dito nag-add to cart? Nung pandemic, natuto. Ching. Di ba? Wala sa budget, add to cart. Ano ba yun? Di ba? Ibang topic yun. Add to cart. Or sino dito nag-video call? Messenger. Natutunan nyo. Di ba nung una medyo complicated, right? Tama? Complicated. And the reason why I'm sharing you with these examples, kasi nung una, GCash yan, ang complicated. Ano ba yan? Add to cart, hindi pa pwede bumili sa tindahan na lang. Or messenger, hindi pa pwede call. May mga ganun tayo eh. Pero dahil nag-shift yung mundo, lahat gumagawa, you were forced to do it. And I'm saying this, as you challenge yourself and your team to do new things, to improve yourself, to improve your skills, balikan mo lang. Teka, inaral ko yung GCash, inaral ko yung pag-add to cart. Baka yung itong decision-making skills, kaya ko din. May parents, ito yung parents ko, ayan, yung sweet nila, kinis pa nila ako. Senior citizen na yan. 60, dad ko 70. Pero kung makapag-Zoom at Messenger sila, parang galing nila. Nakakapag-Gcash sila. Nakakapag-add to cart. I mean, parents ko yun na senior citizen. Nagagawa nila. And I'm sure kayo din. What we need to have is a growth mindset. Sabihin nyo, growth mindset. Yung growth mindset, this is another session of mine, pero bigyan ko kayo ng overview. I hope maybe in the next years or months, pwede natin gawin yan. Sobrang ganda niyan. When we say growth mindset, it talks about the belief that our basic abilities can be developed and improved through dedication and hard work. And when we say growth mindset, the opposite of that is fixed mindset. Okay. Sige po ma'am, picturean ninyo. Para, ayan. Binalik ko para sa... Okay. So, there's growth mindset and there is fixed mindset. When we say fixed mindset, when there is a task, when there's a challenge, when there's a change, sinasabi niya, saying that our basic qualities are set in stone. Ibig sabihin, ay, may bagong task, hindi ko kaya yan, pang sa kanila yan, ito lang kasi yung kaya ko, ito na yung nakagisnan ko, ito na yung talent ko, ito na yung skill ko. Fixed mindset. But when we say growth mindset, it's saying abilities can be improved. Sabi nyo, improved. Improved through effort and dedication. Again with effort and dedication. Hindi yung parang, sige, i-manifest mo na lang, dahil hindi. Effort and dedication. The difference is, when there's a task and there's a challenge and there's a change, pagka fixed mindset, yung thinking, sinasabi, I'm not this or I can't. Minsan ba naiisip nyo, pagka may bagong task, nasasabi natin, ay, I'm not this or I can't, or pang sa kanila. That's a fixed mindset. Whereas if growth mindset, sasabihin niya, I'm not there yet. Nasa parehong state na hindi pa nila alam. Pero sa fixed mindset sinasabi, wala na, suko na ako, hindi ko talaga kaya. Pero dito sa growth mindset, sinasabi niya, hindi, mahirap siya, aware ako, pero I am not there yet. Do you see the difference? And I'm challenging everyone, and kayo as a manager, with your team, you challenge them to have growth mindset that when there's change, may bagong system, may bagong pinapagawa. Growth mindset is, what can I do para magawa ko siya? What can I do so that I can make it work? That's growth mindset.